Hey guys, what's going on? I am Oliver and this is Optimization by Oliver, episode number 94. I can't believe we're on 94 already. I'm Oliver Kenyon, I'm co-founder here at ConversionWise. We're Europe's largest CRO and landing page agency, and this is what we do every single day. 60 plus of us every single day are optimizing our customers' stores to generate them more revenue, to turn more of their clicks into customers. In this series, I take a brand that I admire, that I don't actually currently work with, and I show you what I would do if I was in charge of taking bigger swings and optimizing their store. Let's start with the transformation. This is the homepage. As you can see, aesthetically, a very, very visual change. I have no access to data, so it's purely based on heuristics, UX, UI. I had a nice notice bar that reminds them of the discount that we're running right now. I then have a trust policy bar that I've added in that makes us more trusted as a brand. Now, for a high ticket item like a furniture store, these signals are crucial. The more you can get trust and credibility into these types of stores, the more you will sell on these high ticket items. We then packed the homepage full of social proof, a clear value proposition headline, benefit-driven bullet points that reaffirms the quality of the product. It's high ticket, remember. We have a clear, full width CTA call to action that takes people further down the funnel, and we've even managed to fit a review above the fold. Moving on to the PDP, and I think the biggest problem with the before design is that you're making people work too hard to select a different options within the one product, but also you're not doing what I said, leveraging the trust, authority, and social proof that you need when you're selling items of $1,500. So we have added in again that trust policy bar. We have image thumbnails so people know they can scroll through your images and get to see the product in more finite detail, zoom in, etc., see the quality of the product. We've added social proof, which is crucial. Again, remember, these are high ticket items. We have benefit driven bullet points that help sell on the quality again of the product. We've managed to put the colors in a single option instead of having it into a drop down and then select, drop down, then select, have them ready available for people to see and therefore switch between within the same view as the image. We then have an all important add to cart, but most importantly, we've backed it up with a 180-day satisfaction guarantee. These things are really important when you're selling high ticket items. Moving on to the cart page, we've added a free gift incentivization here, just in case people are adding tables in, for example, and we want to get them to add in chairs to boost the AOV. It's just a nice way to further encourage that. We've then added that upsell into the cart. This is something I would check. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to work, but what is going to work is having a consistent call to action. It's in the same place, it's the same size versus the before one that looks minimal. It's going to get lost, it's not going to get clicked, and we supported it again with that satisfaction guarantee and payment seals that makes us further trusted as a brand. Let me know what you think of this transformation in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe and get in touch with me and my team if you'd like us to optimize your store to turn more clicks into customers. I'll see you in the next one.